So whether it's a career fair, networking event, interview, or even your daily job, these little guys tend to pop up more often than not. So my question today is, which side are you supposed to wear your name tag on? The right or the left? And there is a correct answer. So I'm going to write my name on this name tag, and while I do, I want you to think of what side you think is correct and why. So a lot of people don't know this, including my friends and coworkers, but my first name is not actually Josh. They think it is, but it's not. So for the first time, I'm going to write my real name on this name tag. Hopefully you're thinking of which side is correct. Okay, so which side should your name tag actually be on? The answer is your right. Now, why? When you meet someone for the first time, typically you're going to shake their hand, right? With your right hand and your right arm. So that person's line of sight and attention immediately will go to that side, which is where your name tag should be. So again, your name tag should be on your right side, on your chest, just above where a chest pocket would be. Now that you know, you can wear them correctly and have a pointed conversation for future use.